Hey everybody, it's Matt Larson. Hey, in this video, I'm going to be covering step-by-step the assignment of contract form. So just follow along and we'll get through it. It's only one page. It's very, very simple. And you'll see how easy it is to fill this out. So the undersigned blank, that's going to have your name in it as the assignor. Having executed a contract dated, and then put the date in there between the seller, then you'll fill in the actual seller's name in that line. Assigns all rights, title, interest, and said agreement to the assignee. That's your buyer. Concerning the property described as, and then you'll put the address in that blank in exchange for the compensation amount of blank assignment fee. So, for example, if you've got a house under contract for $50,000 and you're selling it to your buyer for $50,000 plus $10,000 in assignment fee, that $10,000 goes in there, not $60,000. You don't add the two. It's just $10,000 goes in there. Now, assignee agrees to fulfill all terms, conditions, and contingencies of said contract and to perform as required in good faith and with any time period established by said contract. The buyer will close on the property by, and then put the date in there. And remember, that buyer needs to close on or before of when the purchase agreement is dated. So if the purchase agreement is dated November 30th, 2017, then this buyer must close on this contract before, on or before that date. The owner will pay all taxes and fees due up front. The property is to be understood to be sold as is. Said property is to be sold free and clear of all encumbrances by good and marketable title and with full possession to said property available to buyer at the date of closing. Compensation is to be paid at closing and is refundable in the event that the closing does not occur. So, if again, you guys probably heard me in that first big outline video that you want to get paid up front. If you sign this contract for $10,000, you want that check up front. But here's the thing is if the deal doesn't close because of title issues or something that's out of your buyer's control, if there's issues with that house, with the title of that house, then you have to refund that money. So keep that in mind. Assignee further agrees to hold assignors harmless from any deficiencies and defects in the legality or the enforceability of the terms of said agreement. The parties hereby agree, understand, acknowledge that the assignor is an investor and is not acting as an agent, employee, broker, representative, or fiduciary for seller or assignee, but acting solely in the investor's own behalf as principal of transaction, and that all profits made herein are not a commission fee, finder's fee, or employment compensation. Assignment to be paid out as follow. And so you'll put your name and the amount there again. Assignor is you. Assignee is your buyer, and put the date in. So very, very simple, one-page agreement, very straightforward. Hope this video helps, and we'll see you in the next video.